In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to transform multiple images into a video. And this is the result of this tutorial. So to create that video, first you need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, as you can see, I had created the images of this tutorial. And if you want to create these images, I'm going to put the prompts in the comment section. So now let's go to the video section. And here we need to go to settings and be sure that you are using the Seedance 2.0 model. Now in duration, I'm going to use 15 seconds. Because the prompt that I created is for a 15 seconds video. And now here, I'm going to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here and I'm going to upload the images. So let's click here to upload the first one. Now here to upload the second one. And finally, I'm going to use this image. As you can see, this video is a reference to the match between Norway and Brazil, but Seedance don't let me to use the face of Haaland and Neymar, so I'm using similar faces. So well, now let's click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 6 to 7 minutes. Perfect, here we have the video, so now let's see it. Let me... Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. So now you know how to do videos with many images with NovoAds AI. So I want to show you that we have an offer that if you want to try the platform, you just have to pay $1 and with that you receive 10 credits. For example, the video that we did, if we go to video, now settings, you can see that the cost was 7 credits for a 15 seconds video. So for less than $1, you can try the platform and do a video like this one that was really cool. So well, after saying that, I recommend you to try the platform. And if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section and see you in the next video.